Okay. Wunderbar. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okie dokie. Yeah, I think that's going to look sharp. Yeah, it's going to look super sharp. Super sharp. Let's get this guy put on. Well, you know, I still need to choose a bracelet. I'm not sure. I should go for, what kind of bracelet should we go with? A Jubilee or an oyster style? I think maybe a Jubilee. I don't know. I'm gonna see what's going on here. Gotta grab an extra sticker because this bezel sticker, I don't like it. I don't know what's going on with it, but we'll sort it. We'll sort it. Oh, for the love of... You know what, you guys? Give me a minute. I'm going to get this sorted out. I don't know why I'm fighting it. I'll be right back. Do not ask. I genuinely don't know what the so-and-so was going on there. Fighting everything for a couple seconds there. All right, let's get this guy placed so we can get a bracelet on. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Before we put that on there tight, I'm going to move everything so I can make sure I'm lining this up with that indice. Whoops. Scheiße. Damn it. Well, that was silly, wasn't it? That's okay. We'll get it. There we go. That's there. He's a super sharp looking. I likes it, I likes it. And I think we're going to throw it on this strapadoo right here. We'll just do this right here, right now, right here. I guess we need a tulle. The right way? Yeah, we got it the right way. We got it the right way. Other side. There we go. There we go. There we go. We'll get this side out. Oops. And there we go. There we go, you guys. That's pretty sharp. I like that. Not as sharp as, SEIKO's new GMTs out there with their 200mm case. But I like it. I think it looks great. I hope you guys do too. I like these GMT builds. They're fun. Well, another one in the bag, everybody. If you like it, it's going to be up on my website pretty quick. PDQ, if it isn't already there. It can be yours for the low, low price of, who knows, depends on what the exchange rate is from where you live. But if you like it, get in touch with me. Thanks again, everybody. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon. Cheers.